Incoming device is a Samsung Note 9 blue in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Back glass does not appear to have any cracks. The fingerprint sensor does not appear to have any scratches or cracks on it. Looking at the front of the device, it does look like there are cracks along the bottom half of the device, mainly on the lower right quadrant. Looking to see there is a white line forming on the LCD of the phone. The touch is still working. Taking a look at the camera, the rear camera works, front camera works. It is taking an incoming charge current of 1.6 amperes. Go ahead and test the proximity sensor by making a free call to 611. It is blacking out.
I think if we hadn't just got back to school, we would have been proud. But you had a good question. Right there. Yeah, he's checking on us. He's assessing.
We were listening to it in the car.